Good morning, guys. This is Joey with Truck Market down in Memphis. We've got a 15 Icon 900 limited edition 86-inch studio coming at you today. It is a glider kit with a pre-emission 12.7 liter Detroit and a 13-speed, only 260,000 miles. Today we're going to walk you through it, let you see up close and personal in the interior, underneath the hood, frame rails, like you're standing here looking at it. Let's go. Fires right up, great oil pressure. Now that'll come down a little bit once it's fully warm, but peppy as well. Oil pressure hops up there as well. If you haven't seen the inside of the Icon 900, they're a little cooler than just your regular W900s. This is a limited edition, 423. It's got your door panels, just your interior dash panels are a little bit different. This one's got the studio package and couch in the back, over the fridge. It does have the rubber floor in the back as opposed to carpet, which I personally like a little bit better. Doesn't hold grease and any type of smells. Dual leather seats. This one does have a wet kit and an APU as well. Body and paint's good overall. It's got a couple of small scratches and things on the paint right there. It's got a small little pinstripe on the side. That's probably the worst of any imperfections on the whole truck. Love the LED headlights in it. It's pretty cool. Kenworth wheels as well. Got the Tri-Pack Evolution, which is, in my opinion, the best of the best in the APU world. About 50% matched virgins on the back, maybe 60%. AG400 suspension. It's got disc brakes as well, which is a nice little addition on some of these late model trucks. Just the stopping power and overall brake longevity is great with those. There you have it, guys. If you need anything, you like what you see, you can hit me up anytime, 901-896-4526, or email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Love to hear from you.